Coming out of winter, you may have areas that look like this. Thin patchy turf, lumpy, kind of hard ground, but you're not 100% sure why. Well, soil compaction is one of the most common reasons for a look in the turf like this. Now, soil compaction could happen for a number of reasons. Weather, heavy foot traffic, poor soil structure, just to name a few. Well, in this video, I want to show you the 3 things I'm going to do to fix my compacted soil. What's going on, everyone? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day. It is a glorious day outside. It is in the mid-60s. It feels wonderful, and I'm getting ready to do all my spring lawn fun, I guess. And one of the big things I want to do before I apply any fertilizer, before I do any mowing, is fix some of my compacted areas in my lawn. Now, if you're just getting started in lawn care, you may not understand what's the big deal about soil compaction. Well, soil compaction prevents the flow of air, water, and nutrients from penetrating down and getting to the root zone where it can be uptaken by the grass. Having compacted soil can also help lead to weed pressure, disease, and just a thin, gross looking lawn. One of the best ways to check to see if you have compacted soil is the old screwdriver test. Take a screwdriver, any old screwdriver. Some people say you want to go 6+ inches, but we all know it's not the size that counts. We're just trying to see if we're able to get this screwdriver down beneath the soil without any real effort. So I'm going to take it here, and I'm putting a little bit of pressure there. I'm really only able to go maybe an inch. Check this out, a much more healthy area of the turf. No pressure, just able to slide it in and out. Slide it in and out, slide in and out. So I know I have compacted soil. Now, if I were to easily, similar to like over here, just slide it on in with no problems, then compacted soil is not the issue for my blotchy turf. It could be any other number of causes. So what am I going to do to fix these areas? I'm going to do 3 things. I'm going to aerate, I'm going to top dress, and I'm going to feed. To aerate, I'm going to be using this Corona manual aerator, not sponsored. That's going to open up the soil, exposing the root zone, which will allow the flow of air, water, nutrients to get down there and feed the roots. This is a fantastic tool for these small jobs. If I had a much bigger area or a much bigger compaction issue, I'm definitely gonna go rent a mechanical aerator. But Chuck, what about the cores? What are you gonna do about the cores? Well, I'm gonna remove them purely out of preference. Now, because I'm trying to correct an issue here where I have compacted soil, I just don't wanna leave this soil here to get compacted again. So getting these cores out of the way will also help clean up this area a little bit. However, if you want to leave them, go ahead and leave them. Because I have tall fescue, I could leave them, and eventually I wouldn't even notice them, but they will break down over time. But because I'm trying to fix a soil compaction issue, getting this soil out of the way is what I want to do. If you've made it to this point in the video, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That would be really awesome of you. I'd really appreciate it. I thank you for watching so far. Now that we've made all these little holes, I want to top dress with one of my all-time favorite products. I love Black Cow. This composted manure is absolutely fantastic. I'll link to a video down below where I used this product a couple years ago at my old house and absolutely loved it. Top dressing with a good organic material will help fight compaction in the future. And any of this product that makes its way down into those aeration holes that we made will help hold water and nutrients down at the root zone, making it more readily available for the plant. I love this stuff. It's so good. Mwah. Now, I am doing this all right before I do my first fertilizer application of the season. Why is that, you may be asking? Well, because when you have compacted soil, it does not absorb water and nutrients like at all, so the plant isn't really going to take advantage of the nutrients that it's getting. Now that we've opened up these holes, we've applied some good material on top, that material is also getting down into the holes, it will help make those nutrients more readily available to the root zone and to the plant to uptake and help make a stronger, more dense turf. So that is it for this video. It is a very simple process. Aerate, top dress, and feed, and that will help start to correct your compaction issues. Now remember, it is not a one-time and you're done type of thing. You may have to stay on top of it, but this is going to get the ball rolling and loosening up that soil, letting that air, water, and nutrients get down into the root zone to help fix a thin, patchy turf caused by soil compaction. If you found some sort of value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really does mean a lot to me, and it does help grow this channel. I will see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.